Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage notifications on Viber. Also, I wonder why you want to manage the notifications on Viber. It is because you're getting a lot of notifications on Viber, or maybe you want the specific kind of notifications on Viber. So, whatever the reason it could be for you to manage the notifications on Viber, in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to open the Viber app by just tapping on its icon. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the Viber app looks. Right now we are in the chat section, and here all the chats are available if you have turned on this app. Along with that, we have this option at the bottom which is call. If you click on that, you will see all the call logs that you have done on the app. Along with all that, we have another option on the right bottom side of the screen. This one, it has more and three dots. Just click on it, and then you will get here where you have your profile picture and a lot of different options. All these options have their own purpose, but we have to go to the settings. For that, just simply click on it, and there you can see we again got a lot of options in the settings section of the Viber app. From all these options, we have to select the third option, which is notifications. As we are here to manage notifications, therefore we have to go to the notifications. Once you tap on it, you will see that we have a lot of different options available. First, we have an option through which you can turn on the notification for the apps. If you click on it, it will get you to your mobile phone settings, and from there you have to enable or disable the notifications. And if you enable that, you will see a lot of options that are related to notifications. From all these options, we will read one by one, and if we think that we have to use it, we have to turn it on, so we will leave it. Otherwise, if you don't want that, you can just click on this button and that notification option will be turned off. Like, you can turn off the group notifications, you can turn off the showing notification, you can turn off the service notification, and there are a lot of different options. You just have to read every option, and if you think that you have to keep these notifications turned on, then you can turn on. Otherwise, if you don't want them, if you think that these notifications are really much irritating for you, so you just have to turn them off. By turning off the notifications, you will not get any alerts regarding that option, so you have to keep in that mind. If it is important for you, so you have to make it turn on. Otherwise, you can turn it off. There's no limitation to it, it's all up to you. You can keep any kind of notification on and can any kind of notification turned off. And if you ever want to turn on and turn off any one of these options, you can do it anytime. There you go. So it was this simple to manage the notifications on this app. You can also do it easily if you follow all the instructions that are done in this video. This was the easiest way I know through which you can manage the notifications on Viber app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.